Hello everyone, Dana here. Welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a fall themed card using the new BetterPress club set. To start off this card, I took some of the colored craft stock from Tim Holtz. I cut it down to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I'll be doing an A2 card today. And then I went ahead and pressed out the impression in that cardstock, but I didn't use any ink for this first card. Then I took one of the sanding discs from Ranger and I'm just going to go ahead and sand over the section of the cardstock that has the impression in it, and then a little bit around the rest of the edges just to give it kind of a grungy, worn feel. To clean up all of the paper dust, I just went ahead and used a Swiffer. Works great on my surface and the card itself. I also used the coordinating sentiment that came with the set. To add a little bit of dimension to the sentiment piece, I did cut out 2 extra blank pieces to layer underneath the portion that has the sentiment on it. I didn't want the sentiment to be bright white, so I just added a little antique linen distress ink with my blending brush. Using my little square ruler here, I'm just going to go ahead and line that up and glue the sentiment onto the card front. Here is the final card with no ink. I also created the same card doing the exact same steps, except for I inked up the plate before I pressed it in. I inked that up using the Vintage Photo Distress Archival ink. Let me know in the comments which you liked best, the inked version or the no inked version. I hope you all enjoyed. As usual, please take some time to pamper your inner goddess, and I will see you in the next one.